Welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got the H7 LED light for you. It's quick review and quick have a look. Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got another package. It's a H7 lights, I think. I'll just open it and have a look at the quality. Yeah, we got a lovely package. It's absolutely amazing quality, and also we got some 5-star product cards. Yeah, and that looks like it's a tattoo. Yeah, cool, nice present. Yeah. Package is very nice. It's slight damage here, but that should be alright. Yeah, this is what we have inside. It's a H7 LED lights for cars. I'll be fit them in, test it, and hopefully they are good. For now, I think it's really nice build quality. These standard H7 lights, and I'll now swap it for that LED one to see if it's any difference on the day. And you can see it's working and it looks really nice, bright and white, but not sure how we'll build this in the evening. I'll be definitely test it as well at the evening. Okay, looks good, and check the evening. Now this H7 LED lights is switched on the night, and it's really nice white color. Looks nice. I'm happy. Its distance for that looks alright as well. It's absolutely amazing, and hopefully you will like it as well. Nice white, 6K white. Okay, now you can see the difference on the picture between the H7 standard and H7 LED lights. It's amazing, I like it, it's good. Goodbye for €8. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and see you soon on my another video. Frog Tech Tips.